latest news and opinion that matters. Thanks to Bloomer's lawyers. This is Canberra Live with Leon Delaney on 2CC.
22 to 6 now, and a Canberra-based company called HiveiQ has developed an innovative beehive that has won a prestigious award. It's the Good Design Award, appropriately enough, given out by Good Design Australia. The award apparently recognises the hive's forward-thinking features and advancements in beekeeping. Head of Production Design at HiveiQ, Jon Dyer, good afternoon.
Leon, hi, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks for joining us today. Now, look, a beehive is a pretty simple thing, isn't it? It's just a box, right? All the bees do all the hard work, don't they?
Well, a beehive is, I guess, on the outside a box, but it's actually quite a complex system internally. So the bees are quite particular about how they manage what happens inside that box, yeah.
But your particular hive goes a long way beyond the traditional wooden box, though, doesn't it?
It does. So we've developed, I guess, what's commonly referred to as a condensing hive, which basically utilises the natural convection processes of the bee colony to heat and cool the hive and maintain correct humidity levels, avoid moisture, and basically make it a better environment for them to keep healthy and maintain higher yields.
Okay, so what's so special about this beehive? Let's start with what's it made out of?
So the actual hive itself is made from high-density polystyrene, so what's typically used in housing insulation, but it's quite a particular style of that material and quite tricky to manufacture. But what we actually have is a three-stage product which incorporates the hive hardware, the hive software, so management layer, and then a data integration layer. So we're actually collecting data from the hive itself.
Okay. What's the benefit of using that material, the polystyrene?
So there's a lot of, the main benefits are thermal efficiency. So it's up to 30% more thermally efficient than a traditional timber beehive. So therefore the bees find it a lot easier to control the temperature in the hive. It's very strong, it's very long life, it's very durable, and it's well suited to the rigours of commercial beekeeping. So we're basically targeting commercial beekeepers.
And does this have any impact on the flavour of the honey?
No. Well, no. The flavour of the honey is really determined by the location of the bees and the kind of florals that they're accessing. So if you want your high quality gum honey, then you want your honey to be coming from those areas where you have the nice river gums and all of that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Now, it's not just made out of polystyrene, it's packed full of electronics as well, apparently.
Yes, so we have in-hive sensors that allow us to remotely monitor what's actually happening in the hive. So we have temperature and humidity sensors, we have scales that monitor the weight of the hive, and we have a future development pathway that has allowance for cameras and audio as well. So we're going to be taking snapshots of what's actually going on in there, and that will help the farmers make better decisions around their beekeeping.
Okay, and apparently it's already been quite successful in terms of, being popular with customers.
Well, yeah, so we've, I guess, put a big focus on the design component of the product itself, and I think, we've seen that rewarded in terms of the feedback we're getting from the market. So we've had a very good reception, a lot of positive feedback from both commercial, hobbyists and sideline businesses. And we're basically aiming to create the best product in the market, and so far we think that we've done that.
Yeah, well, it seems like the people at Good Design Australia agree with you because they've given you the award. What does that mean for the business? Does that help you better promote the product?
Look, I think recognition is an important part of marketing overall. Certainly for the team, there's been a benefit for us, and there's been a lot of hard work for us to get here. We basically built a manufacturing facility over COVID, which was hard. And then in terms of, just leveraging the recognition that we've had and the stamp of quality that they've given us and recognised goes a long way to sort of reciprocating the effort that's gone into this from across the team.
Sensational stuff. Thanks very much for chatting today.
All right. Thanks a lot, Leon.
Thank you. Jon Dyer, Head of Production Design at HiveiQ, the winner of the Good Design Award from Good Design Australia. 16 to 6 on 2CC. It's Canberra Live. You can call and have your say anytime you like on 625512.